fuck. You heard? It look busy as fuck. Man, what's good? It's your boy Rico, baby, man. If you ain't brushing, you ain't swimming your hair, your boy is at, I'm at Walmart. I mean, I'm about to go see some products y'all should be using, all of that shit. You know, I'm gonna check out some good products and show y'all some of the shit I be using too. You feel me? I'm gonna be hitting stories, and I'm gonna be hitting shit as fuck. You heard? It look busy as fuck, so I'm gonna. Walmart. You know, this Walmart didn't really have a lot of products. I don't know why they didn't have a lot of products. They didn't have a lot of pomade. We saw Murray's pomade for some reason. That was like the only pomade they had. But I saw a few products and I got a couple products too. I got some products, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be showing y'all at the end of